Recording the sewer line here at 9503 9th Avenue Northwest. Date's April 15th, 2020. I'm recording this from the roof vent. So we're about 171 feet out from the roof vent right now. We're going to come back and get a look at the line. What you see there is water flowing down. I was running some water. I believe we're in the main line, or at least the common line, shared with the neighbors. I didn't see us drop into it, but I was running a fair amount of water at the time. Hopefully on the way back I can identify exactly where the responsibility from 9503 ends and where the city takes over. So we're going to come back slow, start to just lift it up slowly. I got my partner up on the roof, so we're going to tag team this thing and start coming back. At some point here we're going to jump back into the just the side sewer for 9503. Slow down a little bit up there. Slow down just a little bit. That's good. Okay, slow down. We're upside down right now, and it's kind of tough to tell. It looks like we're still in the 8-inch concrete main, or I can't tell if it's actually clay. Okay, we should be coming back slow, slow, slow through here. Keep coming. I believe somebody's running hot water in the house right now and making it kind of foggy through this whole line. Okay, now go in just a bit. Back in, Raphael. Go back out. Yeah. Just keep going. Right there. Stop. Come back a little bit. Come back a little bit. Back, 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 slow. Alright, go in. In again. So we've got some damaged pipe through here. Back just an inch or two towards me. Come back just a bit. Back this way. Alright. Yeah, we got a Y that looks like it's starting to fall apart a little bit through here. Let me go locate this. Push in just like a foot. Nope. In. Yep. Right there.
Sewer right here. Can you see where this goes? Yeah.
It should It should cross right here.
Coming out. There, so where it transitions from the old cast iron to the concrete pipe. And then this first little stretch of concrete's pretty worn, beat up. It's pretty typical. It's the first stretch where it comes out of the house. It gets the most flow bashing against it. So where's that concrete on? I mean, it's just like a sidewalk that gets rained on. It's just slowly wearing away that concrete. So it's worn to probably here after the little first turn. And it comes around here. But your most immediate problem and cheap fix relatively is going to be just jackhammering up, digging up to here, replacing this section with plastic, and then
That'd be convenient.
Yeah, because we're gonna bust into it over here.
Are you?
Do the plumbing.
yeah, well, yeah, we could combo it together then, because it's only 2 feet deep or so through here.
Yeah.
So replacing this pipe would be relatively easy, and then obviously shoot a liner, a sleeve through this section to get to the main.
If it's open, it's easy.
Yeah, and it's all going to be relatively, and if you have a short line, I mean, it's probably one of the shortest lines I've ever seen. But, yes. How long have you lived here? You know the frost? I grew up in Ballard in the winter with it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Familiar with the neighborhood.
Yeah, we bought this house from the original owner. He had it built, like, right after the war, and his family here. And,
yeah. Oh, I love this neighborhood. It's changed a hell of a lot.
Yeah, her grandkids come by every once in a while, like, can we look at the house? I'm like, yeah, you can look at the house.
Alright, cool. Let's do this. Push out just a little bit. I'm going to end the recording here. We've seen all the lines. So that's the main tie-in that we're looking at there. Other way, Rafael. And I'm going to end it here.